Hello my artists, welcome to my channel. So in this special Indian folk art session, I am here with a new folk art. If you like my drawing videos, then please do subscribe to my channel and also please share this video with your family and friends who loves drawing. Also comment which kind of drawing videos you want me to draw. For the face color, I have used skin color and some little bit of ochre color. The color I am using here are poster watercolors. If you are also using a thin watercolor paint, then please make sure to make a thick paste. Now I am using indigo blue color for the sari. For the border of the sari, I am using here ochre and little bit of dark blue. So our easy, simple Indian folk art painting is ready. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with us.